Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me for the week of September 3rd through September the 9th. I am going to find a sticker. I know that I want to use this little everyday yay because I feel like that cardstock does go with everything. And I'm being careful tearing this because I did one for my budget spread and I just kind of tore it up. So we're going to bring that out. And then there are a couple of stickers back here where it has that same kind of theme. Okay. So this is one page of stickers that we could use. I like this, I heart the weekend. So we're going to grab that purple sticker and we're going to kind of stick it here on the weekend, of course. I like this. I can and I will. We'll put that for my first day back to work on tomorrow. Here in this portion of the footage, you will see me pulling various stickers from the Super Fun Multi-Pack. And that is inclusive of stickers, sticky notes, and card stock. And I'm just going through and just incorporating all the colors that I wanted to bring to the spread, which were hot pink, lavender, aqua, and silver. And I'll tell you guys, I am absolutely in love with this Simply Gilded washi tape. If you have not used it, please try it. If you notice there, I broke out an oldie but goodie, the sticker rolls, and I did so because I wanted to use some of the stickers from the travel sticker rolls, and I got that packing list from there, as well as those little icons there that I layered over a silver colorful box. And here I'm just flipping through, incorporating those pops of purple and pink and silver throughout the spread. In this portion of the video, I incorporate some more Simply Gilded washi tape along with checklists that came from the Colorful Boxes sticker book, and I'm just trimming them off to match the size of the box. Notice that cute little purple happy planner sticker I found down there for Friday evening, and the cute icons from Bella Digital Designs that I showed you in the beginning, and they all fit in that silver box. So that turned out great. So as I am going through the spread, I'm just looking for more opportunities to incorporate more colors. On the left side, we definitely could use a little bit more pink, so you'll see me put some pops of pink there, and also laying down just a couple more stickers. And I ended up breaking out the newest productivity book, the one with 540 pieces, because they did have some silver checklists, but I laid that down and I didn't like the way that it looked. I grabbed some silver stars to use as bullet points on the spread also, and those came from that productivity book. And there's another checklist there in lavender, and I lay that down. And I changed the Labor Day because it was purple. I changed it to a black. The shade just was throwing me off. But the black purple worked well because I know I'm going to use a black pen on the spread. In terms of pens this week, I picked up my InkJoy gel pen in black. And I began to jot down my plans. And I start there on Tuesday. And as you see me going off camera, I'm referencing my mini happy planner, which I already did my plans and decorated. So I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. Sometimes the day after the holiday, you really have to, especially if the holiday is on Monday, you know you have like lots of things to do on Tuesday. And I was able to take the day off on Tuesday, so I had an extended long weekend and I got some much needed rest. So that worked out well. You'll see me throw down this little pink sticker here on the right hand side of the page there, because we need to, give it some extra pops. And with using this black pen, I feel like it brought balance to my spread, and I'm glad I decided to use it. All right. So this is our plan with me for the first complete week in September the 3rd through the 9th. And I really like this packing list, even though it didn't have our exact colors. I feel like it tied in. I am so loving this Simply Gilded washi tape. It's absolutely gorgeous and complemented this spread just perfectly. All right, guys. Well, if you enjoyed this plan with me, give me that thumbs up. Otherwise, I hope you have a great and productive week, and I'll see you here next week. Ciao, Bella.